Hey guys, it's Sophie back with another video. I'm going to review this thing, the Lunchables Breakfast Cinnamon Roll Dippers. I've never actually had this. So yeah, if you guys hear like beeping and like rumbling in the background, it's my mom getting stuff out because we just went shopping. I'm going to try this. Yeah, now I'm opening it. You can see me opening it. Fun to eat. No needed heat. Ugh. Are these raisins? Ooh, they smell good. They're a little bit hard. I think that this is the, this is the glaze. The glaze is actually good. Actually pretty good. The only thing I would recommend is heat it up. And where it says no heat, I would heat it up. I think these are supposed to go on the side. Alright, look for the picture. They had to heat it up. Forget that. See the raisins. Alright guys, so I ate one because my mom was showing Jen the directions. Jen, come say hi.
Hi.
She's opening the fridge. You want to try one?
What is it?
What is that? Jen's trying one.
Are you supposed to be heated?
Isn't it weird without it heated?
Mm-hmm.
See, fun to eat. No heat needed. It's weird.
Good.
It's good but weird. So this, how would you rate it out of a 10? 1 to 10.
Huh?
1 to 10 for this.
It's kind of like hard and dry, but the icing is very good. I'd give it like a solid 7.
I'll give it like
I'm
an
not
8.
paying for it out of pocket.
Cause it's good if you're like on the
Alright,
go.
we're back.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
guys.